Oh well, today we're gonna show you how to make jollof rice very pretty and easy. So what we have here is the onions in our oil. So we have to put the bay leaf, all our spices, the turmeric, the ginger, the garlic, so that it will bring out the flavor in the oil before we now decide to add our tomato paste. Meanwhile, our tomato paste is the mix of the fresh tomatoes. We used our silver crest blender to blend these tomatoes and it came out very smooth and nice. So that is what we have here as the paste. Okay, so the secret about having a very delicious and hearty filled jollof rice is for you to fry the tomatoes pretty well. You're gonna have to fry the tomatoes till it becomes kind of crunchy in nature. So patience is what you will need to actually fry the tomatoes, and you're gonna do that under appropriate heat. Not too much heat, not too little of the heat, just appropriate heat. Okay, you're gonna fry it until it gets to a point where the tomatoes is looking very crunchy, and that is what you're gonna see us doing in this video. So just stay tuned until we now begin to add some of the other ingredients. So as the ingredients are being added, I'm going to explain what we are adding at every point in time. So just sit tight and relax. Very soon we're going to add this other mixture. This is our onions and our spring onions. So we just added the spring onions. That is why you're seeing it green in coloration. That's just our spring onions, and the ginger and the garlic. That is what is being suspended inside the tomato paste frying. So that's what we're having. That's what we're having right here in the mixture. So you just watch out and see how the whole thing comes out. So now we're gonna add the rice and we're gonna stir fry that rice inside the tomato paste mixture until everything gradually mix. We're gonna stir this rice like our life depends on it. We're gonna stir it until the whole mixture is incorporated into the rice. That's also another secret to making party jollof rice the local way. And one of the ingredients I'm gonna also add to this is the dark soy sauce. The dark soy sauce has the kind of flavor it adds to the rice. And mind you, when you're using dark soy sauce, be very careful in your incorporation of salt, because this thing is a mixture of salt and the the soy, is it soybeans or something, soy whatever it is. So but it's salty in nature, so you have to be careful when you're putting this. You have to be mindful of the quantity of salt you're going to put, even your glutamate, that's your Maggi cube. So this is our chicken stock that we put in the fridge overnight, and we're going to put it into the rice mixture as well. We're going to stir. After that, we're going to cover our foil paper and allow it to boil under steam so that the rice it's gonna get done. Oh, you might be wondering how we or what kind of rice we use our parboiled rice. Our rice was parboiled to the point that it just in the middle of not getting done, but it's a bit soft, so we don't have to cook for a very long time. We just have to cook for a very little time. So you see the quantity of water we are putting. This is quantity that's going to be okay, because when we cover the foil, the steam will be trapped in, and then it's going to cook the rice until it's done, and our rice it's gonna be ready. If you have followed us this far, please like, share the content of this young man, and tell us what you think in the comment section. Did we do well? Did we try our best? What would you like us to show you some other time? Drop it in the comment section. I mean, this is not a food blog channel, but I just love to cook, and sometimes I like to share this thing here on the platform, so other males can learn
I mean, other people can learn. Males can also cook, okay? I'm not a professional cook, but I know how to do these things and I like to show them when I do it. So that's it. See you guys, and as you wait for the whole thing to be ready, understand that this rice was very delicious. We paired it with a fried chicken. Everything came out so superb. I wish I had taken a picture of the rice so I could have shown you. This was enjoyed at our regional, our circuit assembly rather, and I enjoyed with my Christian brothers and sisters, and they all enjoyed the rice. Thank you.